So welcome to a series Train With Me. हमने ऑलरेडी चेस्ट वर्कआउट कर लिया है, बैक वर्कआउट कर लिया है, आज है लेग वर्कआउट डे का लेग डे। हम लोग जो लेग वर्कआउट डे है या जो लेग डे है उसे दो में डिवाइड करेंगे। आज है पार्ट वन में हम ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे हमारे क्वाड्स पे, लिटिल बिट ऑन द हैमस्ट्रिंग, 1 or 2 एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर द ग्लूट्स एंड देन द काव्स। और जो दूसरा लेग वर्कआउट होगा दैट विल बी फोकसिंग मोर ऑन द हैमस्ट्रिंग्स, लेसर ऑन द क्वाड्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑन द ग्लूट्स एंड द काव्स एज वेल। तो आज है क्वाड डे। नमस्ते, मैं हूं शिवोहम, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बॉडी माइंड एंड बियॉन्ड। और इसके पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, प्लीज मेक श्योर टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। और अगर ऐसा कोई टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में आप सुनना चाहते हैं, पुट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट्स, वी विल ट्राई बेस्ट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट। तो मेरा जो वार्म अप है वो ये होगा, इसकी हम 3 सेट करेंगे बैक टू बैक, नो रेस्ट। सो लेट्स बिगिन। Weight, of course, don't want to go too heavy on the weight. Just getting the knees nice and warm, slow and controlled repetitions, आराम से। और अगर आपको 10 या 12 रेपिटेशन से ज़्यादा भी करनी है, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। नेक्स्ट हम करने वाले एब्डक्टर्स, एब्डक्शन। तो बैठना नहीं है, यू कैन होल्ड ऑन टू समथिंग, थोड़ा सा सीट से ऊपर उठ के पुलिंग आउट। अगेन 12 to 15 रेपिटेशंस। Next, adduction. 1, 2, 3, आराम से। 4, एक और। लेग कर्ल्स, आराम से। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll start with a proper workout. So first, we're going to do 5 sets of back squats, but we're going to do it on the Smith machine. Free नहीं करने वाले. We're going to do 2 different variations of squats on the Smith rack. So let's move to that. So first, पहला वाला जो है, we're going to do back squats on the Smith machine. तो एक बार से फॉर्म देख लो. Normal back squats, feet in a normal position, just pushing the hips back first, squatting down, getting a full range as low as you can go and up. So just for warm up, okay, first working set, 5 reps, slow, पूरे कंट्रोल के साथ, फॉर्म, पे आपकी प्रायोरिटी, आपका फोकस। ओके, चलो। Two more. One more. Next is hack squats. तो hack squats के लिए अगर आपके पास वो wedges हैं आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप प्लेट्स को भी थोड़ा सा इंक्लाइन पे रख सकते हैं। ठीक है, एक बार आप फॉर्म देख लो। बार को बैक पे एकदम नीचे की तरफ प्लेस करना है, प्लेसिंग योर फीट ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वेजेस, क्लोज। ठीक है, कीप योर चेस्ट अप, कीप योर बैक प्रेस्ड अगेंस्ट द बार, डाउन ऑल द वे एंड पुश। ठीक है, दैट्स गोना बी अ फॉर्म। इसके हम करेंगे 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions. Weight is not going to be heavy, but speed is going to be slow and controlled. One. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. We're going to do 4 sets, leg press, close stance and leg extensions. We'll try to get 12, maybe 15, and in leg extensions 15, maybe 20. Round 1. Slow, control, good technique, good form. One. 2. 3. Breathe out on the way up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 6 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we're going to do a superset. We're going to do, again, 3 sets, 12 to 15 repetitions of leg curls. Okay, we're going to alternate that with, without any weight, single leg deadlifts. Okay, 10 on each leg. So let's start off first with leg curls. Slow and controlled repetitions. Point your toes down, keep your legs straight, feet straight. Engage with the glutes and pull. 1, 2, 3. And alternate with single leg deadlifts, hands by your side. If you want, you can hold on to something as well. Back, go all the way down and forward. Knee up, all the way back, relax, and pull. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3 more. Shake your legs. 2 more. 1 more. Okay. Change legs. Let's go. 1, 2, slow, control. 3, 4, 5, 5 more. 6, 4 more. 3, 2. You got it, you got it. 1 more. Okay, last we got calves left. So let's finish that off. We do 5 sets, 15 to 20 repetitions. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Big stretch at the bottom. 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. Blast it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before we go, just a few things what you can do on changing the workouts every week. We've of course done one workout, but how can you change it? So for example, today we started off with back squats on the Smith machine. You can do back squats on a free bar. You can do front squats on a free bar, or you can do front squat on the Smith machine. You can do goblet squats as well. So different types of squats, basically nothing complex, no crazy feet work, stance, nothing, just simple squats. All right, the idea over here is to build an overall body strength, overall body functioning, letting every single muscle be aware of what's working. All right. The second one that we did, hack squats on the wedges. You can do goblet squats, you can do sumo squats, you can do again Smith squats. Third, the superset that we did with leg press and leg extensions. For the leg press, you can do different variations of the leg press. Once again, you can do goblet squats, you can do sumo squats, you can alternate it with either dumbbell step-ups, you can do walking lunges, static lunges. So a lot of different variations that you can play with. And remember, we're mainly talking about the quads. Next leg session, when we do more of the hamstring focus work, we'll speak more of the different exercises that you can do in a hamstring workout. All right, and then of course after that we did just a little bit of hamstring where we did leg curls. You can do stiff leg deadlifts, you can do split stance deadlifts, you can do wide stance leg presses, comes more on the hamstrings as well. You can do single leg curls. Again, a lot of different variations. Just play around with it. Again, like I said, there's nothing right, there's nothing wrong. As long as you get a good workout, as long as you're not doing too much or underdoing anything, you're absolutely fine. And then for calf raises, you can do seated calf raise, standing calf raise on the leg press, calf raises on the Smith machine. So once again, different varieties for you to put into your workout. When it comes to improving intensity, improving progression, especially with squats, the first priority is always learning the movement correctly. So don't worry about focusing too much on the weight. Basically, focus on your form, focus on technique, get the form right, absolutely right for your squats, because that's very important. All right. Just because you're doing it on a Smith machine doesn't mean you can ignore the form. The form has to be focused on. So I hope that you had a great workout today, guys. It was legs day. One of my favorites. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And again, if you have any questions, put it down in the comments. More than happy to reply to you. And once again, thank you for watching our channel, Body, Mind and Beyond. I'm Shivoham. Thank you so much. Take care.